Welcome. We are Worldwide Forex Trading, a team specialized in investments in the foreign exchange market and beyond. We created this YouTube channel with the aim of providing free information to anyone who wants to learn the forex market without paying for expensive courses from the so famous Instagram traders. In today's video, we will teach you how to use fundamental analysis to profit. If you don't know, fundamental analysis, or fundamental trading, is based on economic data reports and news headlines. If you are asking to yourself, why do some traders use this type of information to trade? Beware that trading the news is one of the best ways we know of making good profits, in a short time, with bearable risk. This is because volatility is highest during these announcements. Another reason is because today, more than ever, traders can access the results of these reports as soon they are released. Many free websites report economic news events almost hourly. According to our experience, Investing.com and Forex Factory are two good websites with an economic calendar that you can consult. So, let's see what news can provide the best opportunities to trade. There are 7 big news that cause the greatest moves in the forex market. The interest rates, which are controlled by the central banks to achieve a particular inflation target. The gross domestic product, that represents the monetary value of all goods and services produced in a country, in a specific period, usually a year. The employment and unemployment data, usually called NFP for US data. The trade balance, which measures the ratio of exports to imports for a given country's economy. The Consumer Price Index, or CPI, which measures the inflation of any country. The Purchasing Manufacturing Index, which measures the activity level of about 400 purchasing managers in the manufacturing sector. And, finally, the Retail Sales Report, which give the best gauge for consumer spending and possible clues into inflation data. For any of these reports, when the result is higher than the forecast, then the influenced currency can gain strength. Conversely, when the result is lower than the forecast, then the influenced currency can lose strength. The trick to use this type of information is quite simple. Every report is 3 topics: the previous, the forecast and the actual. The information on the previous is irrelevant. We will focus our attention to the forecast, that tell us what the analysts expect, and to the actual, that are the released report data. So, the trick is to compare the forecast figures to the actual figures, and apply the rule of 20. This rule states, if the deviation between the actual and forecast figures exceed 20%, trade in the direction of the deviation. For example, if the forecast figures of the US NFP are 300K, a 20% deviation is 60K. This means we can go long if the NFP numbers are above 360K, or we can go short if the numbers are below 240K. In this case, going long on USD, for example on the USD pair, in the case of 360K, or going short on the same pair if the report is below 240K. For the PMI and the interest rates, the rule of 20 does not apply. Instead, we will use a deviation of 0.5% for the PMI, and a deviation of 0.2% for the interest rates. The trades for this strategy should be placed always in major pairs. For example, if you want to strengthen the CAD, due to a positive report, where you applied the rule of 20, you will perform a short position on USD CAD. Regarding the placement of the stop loss for this strategy, we will always place it 20 pips far away from the entry point, and the take profit in a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 2, that is, 40 pips from the entry point. Thus, even with a possible win rate of only 50%, we will have profit. This is a strategy that works, but, like all others, only in the long term, so never forget to manage your risk if you want to implement this strategy on your trading routine. For those who do not have the time or patience to trade based on technical analysis, This may be a good alternative, as you do not even need to analyze the graphics of the various currency pairs. Thank you for watching, we hope we helped you. We also have a page on Instagram where we make some posts about technical aspects of trading and investments, as well as updated news about the global economy. You can also check our group on the Telegram, where we post some promising trading setups and provide fundamental analysis every morning. And the best part, this group is also completely free. We will leave both links in the description. Don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe our channel. Turn on your notifications bell so you don't lose any of our educational videos. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.